Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the suggest emails to follow up on feature on the Google Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Settings. Here scroll down to Inbox and click on Inbox Customization. Scroll down again and tap on Nudges, Replies and Follow-ups, and here you have the second feature, which is Suggest emails to follow up on, that you can enable by tapping on this button on the right side of the screen, meaning that sent emails that you might need to follow up on will appear at the top of your inbox. Click on the Done button at the top and it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.